Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mohammed with Vantage Realty Professionals at Keller Williams South Park. I am here at my newest listing at 201 Ridgewood Drive in Monroe, North Carolina. With the continued efforts to curb the spread of the coronavirus, my team and I wanted to ensure that everyone had a safe and easy way to access our newest listings without having to leave the comfort of their home. So with that being said, we're going to get you in here and see what this beautiful home has to offer. Did you like what you see and care to see more? Well, then give me a call at 336-302-3320. Either myself or one of my business partners will be more than happy to get out here and give you a private showing for you and your family to get a closer look. As always, have a great day and stay safe out there.